Hello everyone, Chelsea here, and we are back with a new video. I'm so excited, and I'm not wearing any makeup, so we're going all natural here, and yeah, so we're gonna kick off a new season, a new era, whatever you wanna call it, with a What's in My Beauty Bag Internship edition. So here we go. All right, so inside we have two pockets, and I'm gonna start off with the left-hand side because it has the least amount of stuff in it. This is Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe herbs and rosewater. This is great stuff. I spray it all over my face before I put my primer on for my makeup, and it just hydrates everything, makes sure we have a really smooth canvas, so I love that. And then I have a hair tie. Really exciting. So that is the left-hand side. Now, really go away. Okay. All right. I'm going to turn that off. Goodbye. All right. So now we're going to get into the makeup in the other half, and it looks like a lot, but my stash back home is a lot bigger, so maybe I'll do that when I move home. But anyway, not really important. Okay, so this is my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I have been using this for a long time. It says it has, I don't want to admit this, but it says it has a 24-month expiration date. I probably got this from my sister like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, maybe even 5. So, you know, I'm going to use it till it's all dried up and there's nothing left. So there you go. Okay. And I have a beauty blender. Definitely need to clean that. I clean it every time I use it, but yeah, definitely need to clean that. And then I have all my brushes. I have a couple Morphe. I have some no-namers. I have I think this is a Real Techniques. I have a Morphe R36 for highlighting. And I have a Morphe E2 for bronzing. This is for like foundation. It has a hair on it. And then I have this no-namer. I think this is from Walmart for blush. So that's that. I have some tweezers. I have a eyelash curler. I just drew a huge blank. I think this is from Tweezer Man, if I'm not sure. If I'm not mistaken. Golly gee, I can't talk today. All right, okay. So now we have Morphe Eyelid Primer, which I actually did not have this with me. I went home for just a brief second and picked this up. I brought it with me, so that's nice. And then I have Wet n Wild Photofocus Translucent Powder. Love this stuff. It's awesome. And I'll show you a brief way to have like unmovable eyeshadow primer without having primer, like actual primer. So I'll show you that at the end. Anyway, then I have a mini Tarte Shape Tape, which is really old too. And I have a Rimmel Stay Matte Soft Matte Concealer, which is what I wear regularly. And then I have an Urban Decay Heavy Metal Eyeliner. It's like a glitter eyeliner. I love this stuff. I use it not very often because I'm working from home now, so I really don't have, I'm not going out a lot is what I'm trying to say. Okay, anyway. Then I have an Instant Lift Brow Pencil, which is really nice. It's just from e.l.f. And it has a spoolie and then the crayon on the other end. Very nice. I don't use it very often, again, because I'm not leaving the house. Quarantine. So anyway, then we have Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. I need to get rid of this. I think I'm allergic to it. Along with this other one. This is the Mega Volume. So very sad when I found out I was allergic to that. Yeah, okay. Then I have the Essence Get Big Lashes. I've had this for a really long time, so probably not a good idea to put on my face, but you know, hashtag poor. Anyway, then I have an e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara, which again, I've had it for a very long time. And what else do we have in here? I have a Bite Beauty. This was like a freebie from Sephora. It came in like a pack of 2. And I love these. They're so hydrating and they last forever. So love those. And just make sure you exfoliate your lips before using those because it can look like it's cracked and all kinds of weird. So anyway, then I have a Becca, I think this was a freebie as well. Yeah, was it? I don't remember. This is the Becca liquid highlighter in Moonstone. Yeah, Moonstone, really great stuff. Love to put it on the high points of my cheeks. I don't wear liquid highlighters or blushes or anything like that. Once I set my makeup, I don't put anything liquid on. It's just kind of how I do it. Okay, foundation. I have Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Porcelain because, you know, I'm very pale. So I use the lightest shade. And then I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This smells incredible. Smells like the beach. Yeah, so good. Love that. It came with this little brush thing that I don't even know how you would even use that for your bronzer, but anyway. Then I have an e.l.f. eyeliner pen. I am freaking obsessed with this thing. It is so nice. Felt tip liner, and it's very precise, and I love it. Again, don't use it very often right now because I am at home a lot. Okay, and then I got an Almay Gel Smooth Liner. I love this thing for the waterline. It kind of reminds me of like an Art and Cien eyeliner. I don't even know if that brand still exists, but if I had something to compare it to, I would compare it to this. Anyway, all right. Then I have a Baby Lips, Maybelline Baby Lips in the shade Pink Punch. That's really old. That's probably from high school. It's shameful to admit that, okay? Then, actually, this is a new addition to my collection here. This is a Maybelline New York eyeshadow. I don't remember the shade. I took the label off and threw it away. I don't know what shade it is. I want to say it's in the shade Pearl, but I could be completely wrong. Then I have a Wet n Wild Quad in the collection Walking on Eggshells. I love this thing, mostly because all the shades are extremely neutral, so I can pretty much wear it with anything. So love that. And the Brow Bone shade is incredible. I use mostly like really, really shimmery light shades for my eye makeup, so that's always cool. I don't know what that goes to. Oh, I know what that goes to. Goes to my spoolie. Okay. All right. Then I have an e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. I love this thing. Oh, it's so old. Moonlight Pearls. This thing is great. I use it on the high points of my cheeks. I sometimes use it as eyeshadow because #lazy. And then I have a Tarte blush in the shade Parte. Looks like this. I think it's from the Amazon. Yeah, it's the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Love this thing. So pretty and very summer appropriate. It's kind of like a corally pink shade, so love that. Then I have the Rimmel Stay Matte powder for my like setting foundation, liquid foundation. So the reason I like this is because it provides a little bit of coverage, so that's always nice. All right, so now to get to what I was saying before with the eyeshadow primer just before we go. What I used to do when I did not have my eyeshadow primer with me and I didn't feel like going out and spending money because, again, #poor, poor college student, I would take the Tarte Shape Tape because this thing has like a technology in it where it doesn't crease, so that's really nice. So I will put this on my eyelids first, and then I would set it with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder. Bulletproof. I'm telling you, it works like a charm. It's so nice. I love it. But of course, now I have my regular primer, which is so nice. Just kind of eliminates a step. But anyway, that is what is in this bag, with the exception of what I have in the front here, which is a bunch of lovely gifts that I just received from a friend. So I guess I'll go ahead and take you through that. I have a pair of clippers, which is not for my friend, but I just have them in there. I have some lens cleaning wipes for my glasses. And then here are the gifts. I have e.l.f. blotting sheets for when you're on the go and you just need to like eliminate some oil. I have a little change purse here that says girls just want to have buns, so that's really cute. Love that. And then I have these Dead Sea Minerals Anti-Stress Clay Facial Masks. so nice. I can't wait to use these when I'm like super duper stressed, which is now, so I probably should use them. Then I have the St. Ives Soothing Hydrogel Eye Mask in Oatmeal. And they're just eye masks, so you put them underneath your eyeballs and gets rid of dark circles, so that's cool. All right, then I have the Pantene Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam, which is so nice. I don't know if it's white or like what the shade is, but I'm hoping it's not going to turn my hair gray. If it does, no big deal. You know, you just brush it out, which brings me to my next gift. This is the Wet Brush mini detangler brush that you can use like if you're in the shower or at the pool or whatever. These are amazing. I had my sister, before she got married, she had one in the shower, and I don't think she knows that I used it, but I did use it. I think my hair was a little bit longer than this, and it was great because my hair is super tangly, so it's kind of nice. And then last but not least, I have a Unicorn Bath Bomb in Rainbow Sherbet. So I'm very excited to use this. I don't have a bathtub here that I can use it, so I just have to wait until I get back home, which is in a very short amount of time. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this little, you know, collection. I don't even know what to call it. What's in my beauty bag internship edition, because if you're heading off to school and you're wondering what you should take, what you shouldn't take, this is just kind of like the bare bones minimum, because I do like to go out. I have a boyfriend, so it's nice to look nice every once in a while. So I look nice every time I see him, but you know what I mean. It's nice to have things to put on your face, but I don't need to bring the whole collection with me. This is just, you know, the bare minimum so that I can actually look like I'm presentable and not going to scare people when I walk out the door. So anyways, thank you so much for watching once again. I hope you have a great day and that quarantine isn't getting to you too much. It's been a wild ride and the whole world is going up in flames, but hopefully we can find a little bit of peace in some of the things that we love to do at home. So I love you so much. I hope you have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye.